Ever wondered how to create AI without any coding? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're embarking on a fascinating journey, one where we demystify the complexities of artificial intelligence and show you how to create your very own AI without writing a single line of code. We live in a world where technology is becoming more accessible, and we believe that everyone, regardless of their technical background, should have the chance to participate in this exciting field. Maybe you're an artist, a writer, or a teacher, and you've been intrigued by AI, but the thought of learning to code has always been a barrier. Well, we're here to break down those barriers. You don't need to be a tech wizard to create AI. In fact, you don't need any coding skills at all. So get ready to broaden your horizons and discover a new realm of possibilities. So buckle up and let's dive into the world of AI. No coding required. Before we dive deeper into the world of AI, let's take a moment to ensure you don't miss out on our future content. If you're enjoying this video and want to keep learning with us, be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Your support helps us create more content like this, and we truly appreciate it. Remember, every like and subscribe brings us one step closer to making AI and technology more accessible to everyone. Now, with that said, let's get back to the exciting world of AI. First things first, let's clear up what AI actually is. AI, short for artificial intelligence, is a branch of computer science that's all about creating machines that think, learn, and act like humans. Think of it as the brain behind your smart devices. Ever wondered how your smartphone knows when to suggest a coffee shop on your route to work? Or how online shopping sites seem to know what you want to buy before you do? That's AI in action. It's like having a personal assistant that's always learning about you and making your life easier. But it's not just about making recommendations or automating tasks. AI is also used in fields like healthcare to predict diseases, and in self-driving cars to navigate roads. It's everywhere, working behind the scenes to make our lives better. So now that we've got that down, how can we create our own AI? Creating AI without coding? Yes, it's possible with the right tools. Now let's dive into the world of these exciting platforms and tools that allow you to create AI without having to write a single line of code. First up, we have Google's Teachable Machine. This web-based tool allows you to train AI models directly in your browser, with no coding required. You can teach the machine to recognize images, sounds, and poses simply by uploading your own data. It's like teaching a toddler to recognize a cat, but without the scratched furniture. Next on our list is IBM's Watson. Watson is like the Swiss Army knife of AI tools. It offers a range of services, from language translation to visual recognition. And the best part, you don't need to be a coding wizard to use it. With Watson's intuitive interface, creating AI is as simple as dragging and dropping. Moving on, we have Microsoft's Azure Machine Learning. This cloud-based no-code tool lets you build, train, and deploy machine learning models. Imagine being able to predict tomorrow's weather, or your favorite team's chances of winning, all from the comfort of your living room. Azure makes it possible. Then there's Runway ML, a creative toolkit for artists and creators. With Runway, you can use machine learning to create everything from interactive installations to music videos. And you don't need a PhD in computer science to use it. If you can dream it, Runway can help you create it. Lastly, we have Bubble, a visual programming tool that lets you build web and mobile applications without code. With Bubble, you can create everything from a simple blog to a complex social network. And the best part? You don't need to know anything about coding. With these tools at hand, you're well on your way to creating your very own AI. But how do you actually do it? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Stay tuned for the next part of our journey, where we'll guide you step by step through the process of creating AI. Now let's get down to business. How do we create AI without coding? Let's pretend for a moment that we're chefs, and AI is our gourmet dish. We have our ingredients ready, thanks to the AI platform we previously discussed. Now it's time to cook. Firstly, we need to decide what type of AI we want to create. Do we need a chatbot to engage with customers, or an AI to analyze data and predict trends? This is like deciding whether to cook pasta or a steak. Each dish requires a different set of ingredients and a distinct cooking process. So, decide your AI dish. Once we know what we're cooking, it's time to gather our ingredients. In AI terms, these are our data sets. These could be anything from customer feedback for a chatbot to historical sales data for a predictive AI. This is akin to sourcing the freshest tomatoes for our pasta sauce, or the juiciest cut of meat for our steak. The better the ingredients, the better the final dish. Next, we prepare our ingredients. In the AI world, this is called data pre-processing. This involves cleaning the data, removing any irrelevant or erroneous data points. It's like removing the tomato skins and seeds before making our sauce or trimming the excess fat from our steak. It ensures our AI is working with the best possible data. Now it's time to start cooking. We feed our prepared data into the AI platform. This is where the magic happens. The platform uses algorithms to find patterns and make predictions. It's like adding our ingredients to the pot and letting them simmer. The heat of the stove or the power of the AI transforms our ingredients into something new and delicious. While our AI is cooking, we need to keep an eye on it. This is called model training and evaluation. It's like tasting our pasta sauce as it simmers, adding a little salt or pepper as needed. We adjust our AI model based on its performance, tweaking it until we get the desired results. When our AI is ready, we serve it up. This is known as deployment. We integrate our AI into our website, app, or software system, ready for it to interact with users. It's like plating up our pasta or steak, garnishing it, and serving it to our guests. Finally, we gather feedback. This is like asking our guests how they enjoyed their meal. We monitor how our AI is performing, gathering data on its effectiveness and accuracy. This helps us improve our AI over time, refining it and making it better. So the next time we cook this dish, it's even tastier. Creating AI without coding is a lot like cooking. It requires the right ingredients, careful preparation, and a little bit of magic. But with the right AI platform, anyone can become an AI chef, creating delicious AI dishes that satisfy the needs of users. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty and experiment. Just like in cooking, sometimes the best creations come from unexpected combinations. So, play around with your data, tweak your model, and see what amazing AI you can create. Remember, the goal is not to become a Michelin-starred chef overnight. It's about learning, experimenting, and having fun. So, put on your apron, roll up your sleeves, and let's start cooking some AI. And there you have it, your very own AI, no coding required. Wow, look at you, creating AI without a single line of code. It's like you've been doing this for years. Let's just take a quick moment to reflect on the journey we've taken together today. First, we started with the basics, understanding what AI or artificial intelligence is. We learned that it's not just about robots and science fiction. It's about creating systems that can learn, adapt, and perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence. Pretty impressive, right? Then, we moved on to the tools. We discovered that there are platforms available that allow you to create AI without needing to know how to code. Tools like drag-and-drop interfaces, pre-built models, and simple user-friendly interfaces that make AI accessible to everyone. It's like having a personal assistant that does all the hard work for you. Next, we dove headfirst into the process of creating AI. We saw how easy it was to select a task, choose a model, train it with data, and then test it out. It was like cooking a new recipe, where you follow the steps, add the ingredients, and then get to taste the delicious result. And remember, it's not about getting it perfect the first time. It's about experimenting, making mistakes, and learning from them. That's the beauty of AI. It's a journey, not a destination. And you're in the driver's seat, ready to explore uncharted territory. So, there you have it. A simple and straightforward guide to creating AI without coding. It's like learning a new language, where the only limit is your imagination. Remember, AI isn't just for coders and tech wizards. With the right tools and a bit of patience, anyone can do it. So what are you waiting for? Go out there and create something amazing.